finally got my shed up, and it's 10 foot by 8 foot. This is the inside of my shed, and that apparently is all my train stuff, but I think the wife sneaked some stuff out in here as well. Anyway, there's the electrics to do. Put some lights up and seal the floor out. Put some sealant around the outsides. Yes. And then it's Wednesday. The wood's coming for the building the tables that are going to go all around the outside. So I'm quite looking forward to doing all that. All my wood's come for to build my train layout table for. It is sort of like all over the place, and I'm going to be using bubble wrap to line the walls to try and cut down on drafts, and then when I can afford it, I'll buy some more plywood, and that'll be in a couple of weeks. Some more plywood to put on the outside, on the inside, to make the to finish the walls off. I just want to get the train layout up so I can get a lot of this mess out of the way. Didn't think there was so much of it. Anyway, on to the next part. I've lined halfway up the wall with bubble wrap, and tomorrow I'm going to start on the tables, because it's too late for sawing and electric stuff tonight. There. I didn't take the covering off the windows that protects them, because I just thought it'd make that bit more secure if anybody couldn't look in, because it's quite blurry in there. Anyway, that's tomorrow. I have to do that. I've finally got the tables in. Just got to make them fit, and a bit of cutting left to do tomorrow. But that's a 3 foot table there, 2 foot, 2 foot, and 2 foot wide. That should give me plenty of room. Been great fun the last few days trying to get all this lot in. My wife doesn't like my entrance though. I have to find another way of doing that.